Did you know that 80% of successful people credit their mindset as the key to their achievements? It's not talent or luck, it's how they think. If your mindset shapes your reality, isn't it time to shift yours? Welcome to this journey of transformation. Today, we're diving into the power of mindset shifts, the small changes in thinking that lead to massive success. Whether you're aiming for financial freedom, personal growth, or crushing your next big goal, it all starts here. Let's face it, we've all been there. You have a dream, but your mind whispers, "What if I fail? I'm not good enough. It's too late for me." These thoughts create invisible barriers, holding you back from the life you deserve. Fear of failure, perfectionism, and negative self-talk can feel like a heavy chain around your potential. But here's the good news: you can break free. The key to success lies in transforming these barriers into stepping stones. Here's how. Adopt a growth mindset. Instead of thinking, "I can't," ask, "How can I?" View failures as lessons and opportunities to grow. Embrace challenges. Challenges are not roadblocks, they're tests to prepare you for greatness. Face them head on, knowing they'll make you stronger. Visualize success. Close your eyes and see the life you want in vivid detail. The clearer your vision, the stronger your determination to achieve it. Let me share a story. There was a time when I felt stuck, overwhelmed by doubt. I had a goal, a big one, but fear kept me frozen. One day, I decided to visualize myself succeeding. I pictured every detail, the work, the challenges, and the triumph. With each small step forward, my mindset shifted. The fear didn't disappear, but it became fuel. That shift turned a scared, doubtful me into someone unstoppable. And here I am, sharing this with you. If I can do it, so can you. Success isn't about being fearless, it's about facing fears with the right mindset. Adopting a growth mindset, embracing challenges, and visualizing your success are the keys to unlocking your potential. Remember, the only limits are the ones you place on yourself. Now, it's your turn. Share in the comments, what mindset shift are you working on right now? And don't forget to explore my other videos for more tips and strategies to level up your life. Your success story starts here.